Hey up everybody, just a quick workshop tip I'm going to show you here for anybody that might be interested. I'm just about to dress one of my grinding wheels up, and ideally in your workshop you don't want to be dressing grinding wheels near your machinery. It's best to take them outside or have a specific area for doing it. But like me, when you've got your grinding, I've got a grinding station set with 3 grinders on a rotary table, and I've got my other bench grinder outside bolted solid to my bench. I've got no other where in my workshop I can put them, so I'll show you the next best thing when you're dressing your wheels up that eliminates 99% of grinding dust. I've just finished dressing that wheel, the wheel that I use for sharpening my milling cutters, and I'm just about to do this other one now. So just spin this round and I'll show you what I do. This one. So all I've done, I've got this arm I've made with a sprung clamp on it. I've bolted another stand into the middle of my table. I suppose I could describe that best as a scribing block stand, a bigger version. And all I do is slot this bar into it, and then I'm going to clamp my vacuum into that clamp. And then that's ready for dressing up now. Right, I'm not going to say it catches up 100% of the dust, but it catches 99% of it. Instead of it flying all over the workshop, it'll catch most of it. I can move this to any position, even onto my belt sander if I want to. And over here I've got my other bench grinder, and I've made it so it reaches this other bench grinder. Just a quick tip that for anybody that might be interested. If you can't move your grinding wheels outside to dress the wheels, just put your vacuum cleaner on. Anyway, that's it for this video then. I'm going to sign off for now then. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye for now then.